how to get better, how to expand our mind, how to grow each and every day. One thing I want you to think about is, where were you 1 year ago? Write it down. Take some time. I'll wait for you. And I want you to think about if you're doing anything differently, if you are progressing. See, we as human beings need to constantly be growing. And there's different ways to grow. That could be reading a book once a month. It could be attending a seminar. It could be, just surrounding yourself with people who are doing much better than you in the career path that you're trying to be on or you're in. So there's a lot of different ways to grow. So don't find an excuse on why not to grow. Don't get caught up on things that are not going to make you better each and every day. So did you verify to see where were you a year ago? If you're still in the same place, don't get saddened by the situation. Don't be too hard on yourself, because it means that you have an opportunity right now to make a conscious decision that you are going to make some changes in your life. See, as for me, I learned along the way on my journey that if I'm not growing, I'm really doing a disservice to the universe. I know that I've come here for a specific reason, and I know that you have come into this universe for a specific reason. So let's figure out what makes you move and what excites you. There's something about you very, very, very special. Don't be stagnant. Don't be full of fear, thinking that, hey, you know what? I do have this dream, but I don't even know how I'm going to go about it. That is not your job to figure out, my friends. What you need to figure out is what excites you. And God has a way to start bringing things to you. Okay, so let's make sure that we're growing each and every day. What you don't want to do is look back 12 months from now and be in the same place. That would really suck, okay? Now, that is wasting your life away. You want to constantly be progressing, but the only way to progress is to constantly be in action. This is why I emphasize the importance of having an action plan each and every day, being intentional, not just waking up just to wake up. I mean, there's different ways to be intentional. I suggest that maybe the night before, you have 3 or 4 big rocks that you're trying to knock out. What do I mean 3 or 4 rocks? I mean your top priorities, things that you know are good for you, and that if you did it, they will make a world of a difference in your life and take you on the path that you want to be on, right? And those are the things, and usually those are the things that we don't want to do. We get very complacent, or we create this movie or story in our mind, how it's going to take too long, and you can come up with all types of excuses. Knock them out early in the morning. Each and every day, wake up on purpose. Wake up intentional. Wake up knowing that you've been here at this certain moment, at this very moment, to be creative, to become the best version of yourself. Okay? So come on. If you haven't felt like you have progressed and have moved forward, let's start making a game plan right now. Okay? Just write 3 things that you really want to focus on. And think about the bigger picture, right? Think about something that's going to excite you from the bigger picture. And then I want you to now figure out each one of them, baby steps, right? And how each day you're going to move towards that goal. Okay? Do something even as small as, hey, I'm going to read an article online to see what I can learn about this industry or this certain craft, whatever it is that you're trying to work on. So just every single day, make sure that you're working towards your goal. And what I can promise you, because I've seen it in my own life and everything that I've done, that when you take one step, somehow the universe starts shifting, right? To look up for your best interest, to start opening up doors that I promise you that you couldn't open. Okay, so that's my thought for today. Happy hump day. Let's go. Let's be intentional. Let's live on purpose. And most important, use your pain for a purpose. Don't let your life just be blah. Don't be stagnant. Live intentional. Be your best. Because you know what? The moment that you live your best, you start creating more wonderful experiences and memories for you. All right? Well, have a good one.